You want to learn a great way to reuse leftover vegetables in the fridge that perhaps are not so pretty anymore, that will allow you to repurpose any vegetable into a delicious loaf that can easily rival any meat lover counterpart. The ingredients are fairly simple, as you can see. 1 large onion, or 3 small in my case. Then whatever vegetable you use, is always important to have a 1-to-1 ratio of potatoes and vegetables. As you can see, these zucchini are about to give up on life, but this is the beauty of this recipe. Parmigiano Reggiano or any good aged cheese, 2 eggs and 10 grams of soaked porcini mushroom, garlic and marjoram. Once you learn the rules, you can do anything you want with this recipe. It's always important to remember 1-to-1 ratio of potatoes and vegetables and 1 egg per 500 grams of mixture. First thing, put the potato in water to cook with abundant salt and skin on. Remove the bad parts from the vegetable, if any, and chop them up into small pieces. Smash the garlic, add the marjoram and some salt, and chop it very finely, and set aside. And also chop the mushroom very finely. Now let's make our veggie base, with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the chopped onions, salt and pepper, and sweat them gently until translucent, but don't allow them to get color. Add the mushroom and cook them for 2 or 3 minutes. Add the zucchini and cook them on a very low heat until soft. Traditionally, this recipe is done with green beans, but you can use any kind of veggies. Let's say even if you have some grilled or steamed veggies left over in your fridge, you can put them in. Just make sure they're not too wet. If they are, cook them until all the water is evaporated. When they're soft enough you can smash through with a spatula, it means they're ready. Set aside to cool completely. Now time to bring everything together. Smash the potatoes. Here I use the ricer, but you can use a fork or a food mill or anything you want. A ricer gives for a better, more fluffy texture. Add the previously cooked veggies and realize you need a bigger bowl because the one you have is too small. Add half a cup of parmesan and the 2 lightly beaten eggs. Season with salt, pepper and nutmeg. And add the garlic marjoram mixture. Mix well until thoroughly combined. Line a baking dish with a little bit of olive oil and breadcrumbs. And add our mixture. You can use a spoon to do this, but it's much better by hand. Make sure they're nice and clean. Sprinkle with breadcrumbs and use a fork to make it all nice and even and to design a nice pattern onto it. Add a bit more of breadcrumbs if needed and drip a decent amount of olive oil. This will help to make a nice and delicious crust. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. And there you have it. This is extremely delicious. It's perfect served warm or room temperature. Great with salad and with our previous recipe of a homemade Italian ketchup. Thank you very much for watching our video, and if you liked it, please leave a comment and subscribe, and I will be seeing you very soon.